Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to add auto-generated captions to a video in a different language. So if you find this video helpful, all I ask in return is for you just to subscribe. Alright, so let's continue. First, just type in your search bar Adobe Captions. And then click on the first result right here. Now click Upload your video. A new tab will load on which you will be able to upload your video and select the language of the video. So here are the languages that are available. In my case, my video is in English, so I will just leave the settings as they are. And I will upload my video. So once you upload your video, Adobe Express will take a few moments to process it and apply automatic captions to it. So after your video loads and automated captions are applied, you can select the style. Let's see how this one looks. So this one is much more noticeable, and if I play the video, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In my opinion, it looks much better than the standard version. So if you want to further adjust these captions, let's say the placing of them, you can just click Open in Adobe Express. So that's how you can apply auto-generated captions to a video in a different language. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. Thank you for watching.